Hey, it's Alistair here. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 top benefits of practicing meditation. Now before we start, I do want to say that the benefits that come with a daily, regular practice of meditation are way beyond 5. In fact, for me, the benefits of meditation are endless. They enrich all aspects of life when you become a regular meditator. But let's start with the 5 that I feel certainly are the biggest benefits for those of you that may be thinking about meditation or may already have a meditation practice which isn't as regular as you would like. So number 1, when you practice meditation daily, over time you begin to feel a greater sense of peace and calm. Peace and calm that not only lasts during the meditation, but begins to become a byproduct of the meditation throughout every aspect of life. It reduces your heart rate. It helps you to reduce anxiety and stress levels. You become less overwhelmed by tasks and to-do lists, and you feel like you're on top of things. You have greater clarity of thought. And through all of these, you find this greater sense of peace and calm within yourself. That's benefit number 1. Benefit number 2 is it helps you to become more effective and increase your productivity. Now, you may be wondering, how can meditation help with that? And the answer is simple. When you practice meditation, you become better at focusing your attention and intention with more purpose. You begin to let go of multitasking, which is actually a myth debunked by neuroscience, and instead you become an expert unitasker. You see, when we're multitasking, we are simply switch in tasks very, very quickly. But what recent research has shown is that we lose up to 40% of productivity in our days when we multitask or switch task. When you unitask, instead, what has been realized is that your work becomes more effective, your productivity increases, and the quality of your output is enhanced as well. So meditation can help you become more focused, more attentive, and an expert unitasker. Benefit number 3. It helps you become more kind, compassionate, and loving. Now, I'm not only talking about being kind and compassionate and loving to others, but it also helps you to become kinder, more compassionate, and loving towards yourself. And when you find this energy of love within yourself, when you feel in alignment with who you are, then naturally it's much easier to be kinder, more compassionate, and loving to those around us. Meditation is beautiful when it comes to step number 3. Imagine being a kinder, more compassionate, more loving person, not only to yourself but to others. What would the impact be? So that is number 3, the third benefit. Number 4 is it optimizes health. You see, when you meditate, even for a minute, you begin to change the structure of your brain. Meditation changes the molecular structure of your brain when practiced over time, but it also impacts the way that your brain reacts to triggers in your environment and also to triggers internally. It helps you develop more chemicals that are better for you. Your oxytocin and the things that basically light you up and make you feel more energized. It reduces cortisol and adrenaline that's flowing through your body, which helps in turn reduce that feeling of stress or anxiety or overwhelm. So meditation enables you to optimize your health. When you're feeding your body with things like serotonin and oxytocin, your cells are healthier. They're regenerating using these healthier, endorphins that are being fed to it. That is number 4. It optimizes your health and your well-being. Number 5. It makes you become a more reflective and considerate human being. It helps you to pause. It helps you to reflect on your actions and behaviours and determine how you can become better. It helps you to be more considerate of others, of their feelings, of how your behaviour is impacting them, or maybe even just how they're feeling with what is going on in their heads and their minds and their lives. So you become more reflective and you become more considerate. And through those two things, you become more emotionally intelligent. You feel fuller, you feel wholer, and you're able to connect with people on a deeper level. How awesome is that? So these are the 5 key benefits that I see when practicing meditation regularly. You, 1, find more peace and calm. 2, become more effective and increase your productivity. 3, you become kinder, more compassionate and loving. 4, you improve your health and your well-being. And 5, you become more reflective and considerate, allowing you to form deeper connections with others around you. I hope you've enjoyed these 5 key benefits. If you want to find out more about meditation or you would love to learn more, please leave a comment below. I would love to connect with you, and trust me, when you go on this journey of meditation over time, your life will be enriched in ways you could never have imagined. Listen, have a beautiful day. Thank you for connecting. Bye-bye. If you liked this video and you would love to see more, then please subscribe to my channel. I'll be releasing 2 to 3 videos per week, and I would love for you to join me. Also, click the button on the screen if you want to see more content right now. Have an awesome day.